Welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. You're watching the campus television channel of Don Bosco College, Kottayam. This lecture is on the prescribed syllabus of 3rd semester MA English Literature and Language. Paper is Linguistics and Structure of English Language. This lecture is part 4 of the lecture on IC analysis or immediate constituent analysis. In this lecture, I am going to deal with different methods of determining the ICs of a construction. Once having broken up a sentence into its constituents at different levels, we can label the constituents, and this is called labeled IC analysis. There are two types of labeled IC analysis. First is categorial labeled IC analysis and second one is functional labeled IC analysis. First, let us understand categorial labeled IC analysis. In this categorial labeled IC analysis, a sentence is divided into noun phrase NP and verb phrase VP. The noun phrase is divided into categories like adjective and noun, and verb phrase is divided into categories like verb and adverb. In the sentence poor John ran away, the noun phrase poor John is divided into categories poor, that is adjective, and John, that is noun. And verb phrase ran away is divided into categories verb, ran, and adverb away. Thus we can say that these labels are categorial, indicating the category to which each constituent belongs. Next, let us understand the second labeled IC analysis, that is the functional labeled IC analysis. There are 5 types of functional labeled IC analysis. First one, the structure of predication, that is subject plus predicate. You can take an example, birds fly. The construction birds fly, that is divided into subject and predicate. In this sentence birds fly, the subject is birds and predicate is fly. Second one, the structure of modification, that is modifier plus head. Example, a boy. The construction a boy, that is divided into modifier plus head. Here A is the modifier and boy is the head. Third one is the structure of complementation, that is subject plus verbal plus complement. Example, he is clever. Here the construction that is divided into subject and predicate. Yes, the subject is he and the predicate is clever. Again, predicate is divided into verbal and complement. So, verbal is and complement is clever. Fourth one is the structure of subordination, that is subordinator plus dependent unit. Example, the book on the table. First, the construction the book on the table is divided into head and modifier. Again, the head part is divided into modifier and head. Here modifier is the and head is book. Then second part, modifier is divided into subordinator and dependent unit. Here subordinator is on and dependent unit is again divided into modifier and head. Here modifier is the and head is table. Next, the fifth and the last one is the structure of coordination, that is independent unit plus coordinator plus independent unit. Example, John and Mary. The construction John and Mary, that is divided into independent unit, coordinator and independent unit. Here John is the first independent unit and is the coordinator. Another independent unit is Mary. So independent units, two independent units, John and Mary, brought together, coordinated with the help of a coordinator, that is and. It is only in this type of construction that we have non-binary cuts. Please note that labels like subject, predicate, head, etc. are functional labels and not categorial like noun phrase, verb phrase, noun, etc. So in this lecture, we studied the different methods of determining the ICs of a construction. Do the given exercise and submit on time. Thank you.